Shandong Magic Intelligent Technology Company Limited is located in Tai'an City, Shandong Province, and we are a manufacturer specialized in laser marking machines, laser engraving machines, laser cutting machines, and laser welding machine. Technology and innovation are always our first focus. We have always been striving to promote the quality and technological innovation of our products. We are guided by the international advanced technology and constantly innovate to adapt to the ever-changing era. A professional R&D team is based on science and technology, focusing on the research and development of laser technology, an experienced industrial design team, focusing on discovering the beauty of technology, and a team of skilled workers focused on technical production, using German technology to achieve European quality. We have established long and stable relationships with many famous universities and science and technology institutes in Shanghai and Beijing. We always want to make things better. Magick's main markets are Europe, North America, South America, Asia, and Southeast Asia. Now it has been sold to more than 50 countries. Our excellent quality and excellent service have cultivated many long-term customers, and we are proud of it. We provide excellent quality machine with strict quality control. In addition, most customers are very satisfied with our service because of English-speaking engineer and 7x24 service. Magick products always give wonderful experience to the customers, and we hope to cooperate with the customers from all over the world. Welcome to visit us.